In The Joy of Movement, dance is depicted as an extraordinary path to emotional liberation. It beautifully unchains us from the burdens of tension. Imagine gentle waves as emotions, ebbing and flowing within us. Dance is the ocean that lets these waves crash gracefully onto the shore. The art of dance mirrors the vast landscape of our feelings. Each step can convert bottled emotions into a tranquil symphony of movement. In this transformational journey, we encounter simple yet profound motion. Like a blank canvas, dance allows us to paint with emotions. Picture swaying trees, their leaves whispering secrets as they move. Our bodies, like these trees, echo stories through the rhythm of dance. In dancing, the heart finds language beyond words. Rhythmic beats and fluid movements dissolve stress, transforming anxiety into serene articulations. Consider the transformation of a caterpillar into a butterfly. Dance embodies this metamorphosis, shedding layers of emotional tension as we evolve. Emotional tension, a knot in our being, begins to loosen in the dance's embrace. Each pirouette unravels the tangled threads of stress. With each movement, we allow ourselves to expand. Dance becomes our sacred space to breathe, moving mindfully in harmonious freedom. We find healing in the music's soulful notes, each one a gentle caress that reassures our restless minds. Dance unifies mind, body, and spirit. As this journey within unfolds, dance transforms tension into the art of well-being. We emerge renewed, glowing with the essence of joy. We see that dance as emotional release is a timeless instructor, revealing that beauty resides in movement. It is both a mirror and creator of joy. With the joys of movement, we've learned to embrace life with grace. Dance leads us to an illuminated path, where tension is merely a shadow.